In this video, we'll see how Librex Capture for SharePoint can be used to capture electronic documents, extract their metadata, recognize their type, and automatically classify them within your SharePoint system. First thing I'll do is launch my SharePoint system to show you the state of the system before I capture those documents. I will visit the Documents library. In this demonstration, what we'll be capturing our students' document for a fictive university, the World University. We can see we have different folders, existing folders, and the goal will be to classify documents within those folders. And if required, we will see that Librex will automatically create those folders. So let's say we'll be capturing one for Abraham Lincoln, and it will be a transcript that will be captured that will be positioned right here under the admission folder. So that's the before state of this automatic importation. Now what I'll do is just go on my Librex server and show you that I've placed a shortcut to an automatic importation folder. So this is really a hot folder that Librex is listening and trying to capture and treat any document, any content that's being dragged and dropped to this folder. Also, I've created a PDF documents of 2 pages, which are 2 transcripts for 2 of my students. So first one is Abraham Lincoln, and second one will be Woodrow Wilson there. So what will happen once I drag and drop this PDF document within the importation folder? First thing is that Librex will recognize that it's a transcript, for example, reading the text transcript right here. Then we'll extract the student ID and all of the additional metadata. And we'll take the decision, is this document going within an existing folder, or should I recreate a new folder for this new document? Also, we have 2 documents, so this 2 pages PDF will be split within 2 1-pages document. So this is a very, very simple and very basic scenario, but you have to think of your processes within your organization when we have thousands and thousands of documents that need to be captured. So let's say you have 10,000 letters or 1 million letters that you send to your customers. Instead of doing a manual or a semi-manual importation within SharePoint and doing some on-the-spot or dynamic folder creation, all you'll have to do is to do a drag and drop of those documents within this importation folder, and Librex will do all of the document recognition and data extraction for you. So I just take this PDF document and I drag it to my importation folder. Within a few seconds, the document disappeared, and now I will go back to my SharePoint system and hit the F5 button on this Abraham Lincoln folder, or just hit the refresh operation here. So you can see that now I have a new document which is called transcript with the student ID there. So Librex, when transferring its content, takes a decision how should this content be created. So it's a transcript, so I'll use the content type and then the student ID to create my new document. This is of course an example. It could be configured to follow your business rules. So once I open this document, it will be just as any document within SharePoint. And you will see it will be a 1-page PDF document that we also converted to a PDF/A format for a long time archival purpose. So if I go back to my student folders, we'll see that I also have a new folder that was created for Woodrow Wilson. As this student was not existing in the system, Librex decided to create this new folder and to position the transcript document at the right place within the folder. This is just a quick overview of how Librex can be used to capture electronic documents, segment them within multiple documents, recognize each of those documents, extract the metadata, send them to SharePoint, and create the folders hierarchy if required within SharePoint. That's one of the capture techniques within Librex, but Librex can also scan paper documents, capture email or faxes, or capture any other type of electronic documents. For example, capturing a virtual printing from your network or any other source of content that's produced for your organization. To see those other capture techniques, I also invite you to visit our YouTube channel at youtube.com/coriumsoft, and you will see those other videos. You will also see a video that presents how is the Librex capture for SharePoint connector configured. So you will see that you don't need any developer to be involved to do this treatment of documents. You can just give this responsibility to an administrator, and he'll be able to configure what would be the folders hierarchy within SharePoint. Thank you.